This video is all about finding the value of x plus y when 4x squared minus 4y squared is equal to 1 and 4xy is equal to 1. So now let's begin. So now we are given 4x squared minus 4y squared is equal to 1. Let's call this equation 1 and 4xy equal to 1. Equation 2. So now we are asked to find x plus y. Now, what we're going to do, we square both sides of the equation 1 and 2. So now we have 4x squared minus 4y squared all squared equal to 1 square equal to 1 square. So now what we're going to get is, we square this, it's just like saying a minus b square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b squared. So it's just like that. So now this is a, this is b. So we're going to have 16x raised to power 4 minus 32 x squared y squared plus 16 y raised to power 4 equal to what? 1, because this is 1. Now moving this to the right hand side, you now have 16x raised to power 4 plus 16y raised to power 4 equal to 1 plus 32 x squared y squared. So the 16x raised to power 4 plus 16y raised to power 4 equal to 1 plus, this can be 2 times 16x squared y squared. We'll call this equation 3. Now let's square equation 2. Squaring equation 2, squaring both sides of equation 2, you have 4xy all squared equal to 1 squared. So now this, the left hand side will now be 16x x square y square equal to 1. So let's call this equation 4. Now substituting 16x square y square equal to 1 into equation 3, you now have 16x raised to power 4 plus 16y raised to power 4 equal to 1 plus 2 into, now you have 16x square y square, which is this, equal to 1. So 1. Now this will be 1 plus 2, which is equal to 1, 3. So we now have 16x raised to power 4 plus 16y raised to power 4 equal to 3. So we can call this equation 4. Now what we're going to do now, we just say 4x plus 4y, 4x squared plus 4y squared all squared. So what will it get? It's just the same thing as saying a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus m plus 2ab. So now if you square this one will now give you 16x raised to power 4 plus 16y raised to power 4 plus 32 plus 32 x squared y squared. So this is the same thing as 16x raised to power 4 plus 16y raised to power 4 plus 2 into 16 x squared y squared. Now substituting, now that means this is 4x squared plus 4y squared all raised to power 2 is equal to this. So now substituting 16x raised to power 4 plus 16y raised to power 4 equal to 3 and 16x squared y squared equal to 1 here into, let me call this equation 5, into equation 5. You now have 4x squared plus 4y squared all squared equal to, this is equal to 3 plus 2 times 1, so you have 5. So that means 4x squared plus 4y squared all squared is equal to what? 5. Now 4x squared plus 4y squared all squared is equal to 5, just like what it is written here. So taking the square root of both sides, you now have this square will cancel the square root. You have 4x squared plus 4y squared equal to plus or minus the square root of 5, because there will be plus or minus the square root of 5 there. So now, so we have gotten this. Then now, if you now say 2x plus 2y all squared, it's just the same thing as saying a plus b all squared will give you a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Now you have the 2x squared. 2x squared will give you 4x squared plus 2y squared will give you 4y squared, then plus 2x times 2y will give you 4xy times 2 will give you 8xy. So you now have 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 2 into 4xy. Now we can call this, now if we call this equation 6, this should be equation 7. Now from equation 1, 4xy is equal to 1. Sorry, is it from equation 2, not 1? From equation 2, that is this. Now, and equation 5, from equation 2 and equation 6, not 5, this one, you have 4x squared plus 4y squared equal to plus or minus the square root of what? 5. Now let's say substituting 4xy equal to 1 and 4x squared plus 4y squared equal to plus or minus the square root of 5 into equation 7. So you now have 2x plus 2y all squared equal to, this is plus or minus the square root of 5, which is this, plus 2 times 1. So this will give us 2 plus or minus the square root of what? 5. So we have 2x plus 2y all squared equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of what? 5. Now 2x plus 2y squared is equal to 2 plus the square root of 5 or 2 minus the square root of 5. So when you look at this now, you know 2 is less than the square root of 5. So that implies that 2 minus the square root of 5 less than 0. So this is a negative value. So there is no how you will square real numbers. You square real numbers and you still have a negative value. So that means this is not a solution. So this is the only solution because this one gives you positive value. If you square this, it gives you positive value. So now you have 2x plus 2y all squared equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus the square root of what? 5. Now, taking the square root of both sides, this one now plus or minus. Taking the square root of both sides, you now have 2x plus 2y equal to plus or minus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 5. So, with this, if you factor this out, you have 2 into x plus y equal to plus or minus the square root of 2 plus the square root of 5. So dividing both sides by 2, we now have, this will cancel out these 2. You have x plus y equal to plus or minus half times the square root of 2 plus square root of 5. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching to the end. Have a nice day.